Ed Ortolano from 3D Systems.
I'm Tassi Pereira.
Hey, I'm Marty Johnson.
Hi, my name's Olshan Taiwo.
Hi, I'm Kevin Sue.
Hey there, I'm Jeff Rupert.
Hello, my name is Greg George.
Hi, I'm Joseph with 3D Systems.
It sets a new standard for having a material that has good long-term stability.
We're running a demo of some of our hydrogel prints.
The ProBlack 10 has been a really great material for Figure 4.
We've kind of improvised and implemented no supports on them.
We have vertical stack printing for orthodontic models.
So with the flick of the button, I can go ahead and capture 3D scan data of this part.
We're also able to achieve more impressive models, such as this heart model.
Mystery Achievement Award goes to David Lee.
If you're going to make a difference, be willing to do the hard work. So get involved, right? Don't make excuses and do the hard work. And I'll just say, as my own personal charge, is don't give up.